Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
Welcome back, and today we're going to be doing this look using the Dose of Colors Desi X Katie Friendcation palette. This is such a beautiful palette. Alrighty guys, if you want to know how to get this look, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave and like the video before you go. Also, like the video just because my dogs are here. If you guys want to see more of my dogs, let me know. I have 3. This one's Coco, that one's Nugget, and Chi-Chi's downstairs. Alrighty, well, let's get on with this blue look tutorial. This color we'll be going in with is Necessary. And we're going to be applying that on our crease. Do you guys like my new cat ears? I love them. I got a whole bunch when I went to Peru. I got like 10 maybe. And I realized when I was filming my last video, I was like, oh my god, I didn't wear my cat ears. And I was upset. So I remembered to put them on this time. Okay, now we're going to take Girl Bye on a more condensed fluffy brush. And tuck that in just below Necessary. Okay, my dogs want my attention. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, Coco, hold on. Okay, I'm coming. Good boy. You gonna be in the video too? Okay, now I'm just gonna take a moment. I swatched all the glitters over here, the shimmers. I'm gonna take a moment on this flat brush and spritz it with some e.l.f. primer, e.l.f. mist, and then apply that on the center of my lid. Ooh, yes. Okay, so I just literally took my finger and I started pressing it in, and I think that's how you will get the most like color payoff. The brush did work beautifully, but the finger, I think there's like with the shimmer, it's always best to apply with the finger, at least in my opinion. Now using a clean finger, I'm just going to go into Game Over and apply that mainly on the outer part of the eye. Stop judging my nail. I can feel it. Just patting that color on the outside and on top of the blue so we can marry them and they can blend beautifully. We're going to go into Girl Bye with the same brush and just put it back on the top. Just on the top like this. Just wiping what I don't want away. Okay, now grab an even smaller fluffy brush and we're gonna go into Churro. Didn't think it would have that much. Most of these colors don't have fallout, which is great, and some of them do. Like, not that that's necessarily a bad thing, but just like be careful so this doesn't happen. Okay, Churro was way more pigmented than I thought, so I'm literally taking basic and just applying it on top of it to cancel out some color and also fluff that in. So I just reapplied Game Over and I'm just fluffing that out. Now some Necessary. Make sure you connect the bottom to the top eyeshadow. I'm gonna pop a moment in the middle. Okay, so that was a little messy to work with, so I'm just gonna put some eyelashes and lips on and we'll be all set. Yeah. What are you smelling? Alrighty guys, and this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. This is my dog over here in case you can't tell. Look. Can you say bye? Can you say subscribe? Can you say subscribe? No? Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video before you leave. Coco! Coco! The other one's getting jealous. All right, I gotta go and go walk my dogs now. All right, see you guys in the next video. Bye. You want to come up here? This is my dog Coco, by the way. She loves licking my face, so I avoided putting on foundation today just for her. Can you say subscribe? I'll take that as a yes.